नमस्कार। उफ, कितना अंधेरा है। द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ लाइट। सो what is happening here? There's no light. My bicycle, and this is the problem. There is no light here. So yesterday I saw that there is no light in this. So the bulb, which is, you see, I removed the bulb from here because okay, moreover, I bought this bulb yesterday, and what was the price? The price was €4. It was €4 75 cents or something very close to the €5. So if I multiply by 80, so 400 rupees is 400 rupees. Okay. So today I have to, let's open this first. Let's open this first. Good. So this is the bulb. LED bulb. LED, I think. I cannot read. I want to read. It's impossible to read. Whatever, no problem. So I'm going to put here, let's see. Oh, I have to switch off first, otherwise it will be a problem. This I keep, and I have to switch off because there will be electricity like this. Okay. Just to be careful for the, we have to be careful very. I can, for lighting, I can do this. I can open the door of another, now. Just this. Be careful with the light because the safety is very important. It's okay. I think it's okay. Good. Let's see. Because I was looking such ball, but oh, the fantastic Fantastic. I was looking for the coils, but at last they said me, okay, now they don't sell the coils, so I have to buy this type of bulb, the round. Okay, but this problem is solved. It's very important to have. There is two bulbs. Fantastic. And one is this one, which when I have this one is based on the sensor. You see, if I close all this light, so and I switch on this, okay, now because I know this is based on the sensor, it will automatically switch on and switch off. Now it will take time, but I know that this one will be this is automatic. So depending on the movements, if you are entering in the gallery, then it will switch on. If there is no movement in the gallery, then it will switch off automatically. So this one is good. Just to save the electricity, this is good. Moreover, it is costly. I paid 25 euro, I think. 25 euro means multiply by 80 is 2000 rupees. That one I bought in 500, and this one I bought in 2000. Benefit of this one is it possesses a detector for the movements. So it depends on the detection of the movements. If you're moving in the gallery, then it will switch on. If you're not moving in the gallery, then it will switch off. So it's taking time a little bit, but it will automatically switch off after few minutes if there is no movements in the gallery. Moreover, I will look on the internet and to find such bulb, and I will write in the description section from where you can. Why it is not getting off? Maybe it will take time a little bit. Just let's see how long it will take. Oh, after 1 minute it switch out. It take 1 minute. Wow. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.